Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Otter AI to Zoom. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Otter.ai homepage. This is where you'll manage your Otter account settings and connected apps. Make sure you're signed in before continuing, since the integration options are only available from inside your account. Once you're on the main Otter interface, look over to the left-hand navigation panel. This menu is where Otter organizes key account features, and one of the options you'll need is integrations. If the menu feels a little crowded, take a moment to scan slowly so you don't miss it. When you find integrations in the left navigation, click on it. This will open the section where Otter lists the apps and services it can connect with. These integrations help Otter work more smoothly with your existing tools, and Zoom is one of the most useful ones if you want automated meeting notes and transcripts. Inside the integrations area, look for Zoom. Once you see it, click on Zoom to open its connection page. This page gives you access to the controls for linking your Zoom account with Otter. If you use multiple apps in Otter, it's a good idea to confirm you've selected the correct one before moving forward. Next, click on Connect. This starts the linking process between Otter and Zoom. At this point, Otter will usually hand things over to a permission or authorization screen so the two services can work together securely. This is a normal part of connecting apps and helps make sure you're approving the access intentionally. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure. The exact prompts may vary a little depending on your account status or whether you're already signed into Zoom, but the process is usually straightforward. Read each screen carefully, approve any requested permissions if they match what you expect, and continue until the connection is complete. If the connection doesn't happen right away, double-check that you're signed into the correct Zoom account and return to the integration page if needed. Once everything is connected, Otter should be able to work with Zoom for supported meeting features. That's it. You've now gone through the process of connecting Otter AI to Zoom.